If you're a laser maker looking for quick win projects for the holidays, gifts, markets, or just for fun, you're in the right place. My name is Monica and I share all things laser to help you get the most out of your machine so you can create with confidence. Welcome to part 3 of my Christmas in July series. Today I've got 3 projects you can do in under 30 minutes start to finish, and you can do it using scraps. And stick around to the end because I've got a bonus project for you that's perfect for last minute gift giving. And hey, if you're into laser tips and project ideas, go ahead and hit that like button, or better yet, poke that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the fun we're having around here. Let's get started. First up is keychains. Keychains are super versatile. They can double as bag tags, gift tags, or even stocking tags. There are so many possibilities, and they are great for Christmas time gift giving. Personally, I like holiday keychains that can still have meaning all year long, like this Cheers keychain. It's fun, it's festive, and it will still have meaning long after the holidays are over. Then I've got a paint-filled option. For the Dream Big keychain, I am actually going to paint fill it instead of doing layered acrylic, and I'm going to use powder coating, this really pretty blue turquoisey color. If you haven't seen my latest video on 6 methods I tested for paint filling, check that out because I do go over how to paint fill with powder coating on your laser engraver. I have been having such a blast testing all of the applications for filling engraves with powder coating. This Dream Big keychain turned out awesome. By the way, this is excellent life advice. Of course, there's always the ever popular Monogram. I love the contrast you get with the 2 colors of acrylic stacked on each other. It makes them look bold, finished, and super giftable. Pro tip, if you are planning to sell or gift these as keychains, you'll want to stick to acrylic rather than wood. Wood tends to break a little more easily around the area where the hardware is installed. And do yourself a favor, skip the jump rings and pick up some of these plastic connectors. They make assembly a breeze. And by the way, if you want to pick up any of these files that I'm going over today, I do have them linked in the description. Next up is bookmarks. Again, so many possibilities with these. You can make them from leatherette, 1/8 inch acrylic, or even PatternPly from Smoky Hill Designs. If you have not tried PatternPly from Smoky Hill Designs yet, just prepare yourself for your next addiction. They have all sorts of designs, and you can get patterns in this super flexible material that's perfect for bookmarks. It's ultra thin and it won't damage the spine of your books like some of the thicker materials. You can stick to traditional tassel bookmarks like this one, or you can punch up the creativity just a little bit with some fun designs. So I have got I've got a butterfly, a jumbo paper clip, or a dog paw, just as some examples. Now, depending on your design, you may want to consider 1/8 inch acrylic for these bookmarks just to give them a little more meat. Leatherette is also a great option. It cuts like butter and is easily engravable to add that little extra touch of personalization. Bookmarks make great stocking stuffers or easy add-ons at markets, and the best part is they are basically just cut and go projects. You can't beat that. And finally, Swizzle sticks, also known as drink stirrers. There are tons of great design options with this one as well, especially with Festive acrylic. I've cut these out from patterned acrylic and mirrored acrylic. Both make the designs pop with 0 finish work. These are perfect for Christmas parties, gift sets, or even market bundles. They're fast to cut, use minimal materials, and are super easy to batch for events. And I've got a bonus project for you, this acrylic gift card holder. It's made to look like a wrapped gift. It's made of white acrylic with some fancy glitter acrylic on top, and it fits a standard gift card right inside. This is perfect for year-round gift giving. So that's it, 4 projects you can make in under 30 minutes using scraps. keychains, bookmarks, swizzle sticks, and a gift card holder. All easy, all giftable, and all pretty dang market friendly. If you want to make any of these projects on your own, I do have the files available on my website. All the links to the products and materials used in this video will be in the description, so check those out before you start cutting. And if you got any new ideas from this video, poke that like button. And if you want more laser-friendly projects, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one. I've had this headband on the entire time. I'm not re-recording it. Compressor for the win! Well, it would have been fine if I hadn't botched it with trying to put it back together.